Hi everyone. Today, I'll explain a useful little gadget, an adapter for electric roller shade brackets. If your bracket looks like this, no problem, you can install the motor directly. But if it looks like this, or if your roller has a cassette and you don't want to change the bracket, what do? Don't worry, use this bracket adapter. It connects the motor to the bracket. It works with many motors. 1. Motors without screw holes. 2. Motors with screws. 3. Larger motors with different screw hole spacing. 4. So, if you have installation issues, this adapter can help. Thanks!